Hey guys, it's Isabel, and today I have collaborated with Fidm Fashion Club to show you how to make this DIY chain strap fanny pack in 15 minutes or less. Keep watching to see how I got it done. Along with your basic sewing notions, make sure you have pliers, scissors, and something to mark with. First, pick a fanny pack that you want to work with. I recommend one that has a buckle that you can adjust and a strap that can be easily cut. I found my fanny for only $3 at Daiso. Then you're also going to need D-rings that match the length of your straps and a yard of chain trim. I found these items at Joann's for about $7 in total. Mark and cut about 1.5 to 2 inches from the connected strap side. You're also going to mark and cut about 1.5 to 2 inches from the strap adjusters if you have any. Next, pin the D-rings to the straps and sew. Adjust the chain to your desired length. About 1/3 is a decent amount to take off, just depending how long you want it. Open the chain link with pliers to insert into the D-ring. Then, close the chain link with pliers to secure. You can also give a hem to the end of the strap so it won't slip out when you're adjusting the length. Here's the completed project! I honestly wasn't sure how it was going to turn out, but I was so happy with the outcome. This DIY is perfect for the upcoming festival season if you're looking to customize your accessories to stand out from the rest while also being on a budget. If you want to see more DIYs like this, be sure to check out fashionclub.com and the links down below. Thank you guys so much for watching today's tutorial with Fidm Fashion Club, and I can't wait to see how creative y'all get with your fanny packs.